Welcome to Bajaj Majesty RCX5 demo. The Bajaj RCX5 needs power supply of 550 watts. Bajaj Majesty RCX5 is a multifunction cooker with a capacity of 1.8 liters. It comes with a cooker, cooking bowl, lid, measuring cup, trivet and a spatula. There is a simple switch to start cooking and two indicators. Place cooking pan in the cooker and add all the necessary ingredients to make tomato rice. Add the tomato puree in the pan. Put the washed rice in the cooking pan and add water as required. And cover the lid and let the rice cook for 30 minutes approximately. When the rice is cooked, the switch will illuminate to indicate the heat is off. And the hot steamy tomato rice is ready to be served.